Hi friends, this video shows how to clean eyepiece lens or ocular lens of a microscope. So this is the eyepiece lens. So first you have to remove it. This is 10x lens. So let me remove it. See, you can remove like this. So let me show how we can clean this. First we have to open this. It has two lenses. This part we can rotate. See, this is a lens 1. And inside we can see another lens. See, this is a glass 2. Okay, so don't change it. First we have to clean these two glasses, then we can put it back. So we should be careful when we put all these lenses back. So if we take one lens, it has two sides. One side is, you can see there's a small bulge, and other side is straight. So when you insert this first lens, the straight side, that has to go inside first. So we have to put like this. That straight side has to go down. So we can also put like this. See, this way. Then we can put the second lens. So when you put the second lens, that the side which has bulge, that has to go inside. So this way we have to put. Then we can close it. That's all. Okay, done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.